Alright guys, I finally got it to work out where I bought the external external USB thing. Here, hold on, let me show you this. And I got I got this little piece that I showed you in my last video. This is my Tesla cam, and this is my USB stick for the boombox. So, you know, you got to make a whole new thing, make it expat, put a boombox folder and capital B, and then put the sound clips in there. So I went online and picked up some sound clips, and I thought this was pretty cool. Yeah, obviously everybody using this one right here. So for the horn sound, I'm gonna let y'all hear it, like this part. I got this cool one. Some other people got the whole song. That's stupid. When you hear that, I just got that. There we go. Right here. Get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. That's it. That's all it says, and it cuts out. So that's just the horn. That's just the horn. And that it cuts out just with that part, which is pretty dope. Other people playing stupid songs. Alright, so let's go to stop. Now it doesn't stick for some reason. If y'all got any way that you guys figured out to let it stick, let me know, man. Okay, so this is cool. The driving one, I did this, man. This is pretty dope, dude. Check this out. Okay, so one, I got this. I got this thing here. Let's listen to this, man. When you driving through, it's gonna be like this. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. And his name is John C. There we go. I mean, and his name is John C. Yeah, that that you can't even hear the bass on my car, man. That is pretty dope, man. You guys haven't thought of that? Don't copy me. Do not copy me. All right, you guys don't copy me, man. That's my thing. You know, I'm not a wrestling fan or anything. Like back in the day with Big Papa Pump, NWO, and those guys. Nowadays with John Cena and stuff, I don't really watch wrestling, but I just like his little intro when it comes out. It's just so dope. Like, just imagine like a Tesla busting out of the garage, like with that song on. That's pretty dope. Now the other thing that I like is, check this out. I found a sound clip. Now don't copy me. Listen to this. When you rolling around, check it out. Another one. 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 I mean, another one. Another one. Dude, the DJ Khaled, man. DJ Khaled. You know what I'm saying? You real smart. You real smart. You know that? Those two right there, perfect. Perfect for that driving sound. Don't copy me. Do not copy me. You guys do your own little Star Wars little thing, driving sounds, or your little like V8 driving sounds or turbocharged driving sounds, whatever. But don't copy me, man. Those are mine with the John Cena joint and the DJ Khaled joint. Those are mine. Don't copy me. I just wanted to show you the sound because it sounds so funny.